In this Binance tutorial today, I'm going to be walking you through on how to make about 50 USDT simply by trading cryptocurrency on your Binance exchange. And keep in mind, you can literally make this money irrespective of the direction the cryptocurrency goes. Either it goes up, which you'll be making money, or it comes down, which you are also going to be making money as well. Irrespective of the direction, you are going to stand a chance to make money consistently over time if you can simply apply these simple rules I'm about to show you in this video. So stick around, smash the like button for me, give a follow. Let's get into the tutorial real quick. So first thing first, in order to achieve this, you will need a verified Binance account, which the link in registering is going to be on bio. And as you can see, my current balance is about 441. I was able to grow this money from 100 to this amount. So if I should probably head over to my trading history just to show you that what I'm about to show you actually works, I'm going to be showing you my trading history. So as you can see, there are losses because in as much as you are expected to make money, you can also lose money. But with the help of like risk management, the losses is usually cut short. So there are a couple of trades I took during the week. You can see some are loss, some are also wins. So the losses is inevitable because it is from those losses you will take corrections and improve on the next trade you are about to take. So mine was about 29, 27. I incur a little losses of about 17. Some losses were pretty little, some were higher. But let me show you the tutorial real quick. The tutorial is pretty simple. If you are looking to make this money gradually over time, stick to about 2 to 3x or 4x. Don't go behind 2, 3, 4. Because when the leverage increases and eventually your stop loss gets hit, you'll be losing more compared to if you had used a little leverage. That's pretty by the way though, because the main obligation now is to pick any cryptocurrency. If you should head over to this icon, you are going to see, hundreds, if not thousands of cryptocurrencies on Binance futures that you can use to do these speculations. Either you would speculate that the price will go long or go short. So mine, during the week, like the trade I closed earlier today, as you've seen in the video, this was about 36. I opened it at about 0.002202. So I was expecting the price to go down. So and eventually the price went down to 0.002094. That is why the profit is made. So after picking your crypto, you now determine where to buy it and where to sell, either long or short. When you are buying, you are longing. When you are selling, you are shorting. As simple as that. So in my case, I went for this cryptocurrency called Boom, and this is where you can make your analysis, or you can use Trading View if you want to. Trading View is going to give you tools to navigate about the analysis. Okay, so make your analysis and then take the rightful decision. I'll be giving out free signals, but not frequently, because my signals are premium. I do not probably give free. Matter of fact, if I should drop any free signal, that should be probably once in a while. But my main premium signals are always paid. Like this one I took earlier today, I sent it out to the premium student. They all took the trade alongside with me. So that is how all of this works.